Okay, so hey guys, we didn't finish loading. Hey. It's time for you to get online. It really is. Now there are exceptions to this. There's gonna be some businesses that that's not how they operate, or the business model may not suit it, but that really is becoming less and less viable of an option. Everyone is online. Your solutions are online. The means by which you access your customers, it's mostly online. Your information is online. Make use of the internet. Get your business online. So for some people, it is still kind of scary. Maybe you're just starting out, maybe your business hasn't touched it and you feel like you're too big to suddenly make the jump. There are so many solutions out there. Solutions that I know we integrate with. You have Amazon, eBay, WooCommerce, Magento, Shopify, ZenCard, Xcart, and Illusion, a whole bunch. There's even more. Go check out our website if you're curious. Point being, there are a lot of options available for your business. And it doesn't have to be just one of them. We have customers that sell a lot of goods through their own website and portal, but also sell on Amazon. They're making use of as wide of a net as they can cast. So what else can being online do for you? Well, you can really establish your brand and help control it. Help control how your customers see you, how they reach out to you, how they interpret you as a business, and how they view you. It's all about being able to interact with your customers, give them what they want, and then also quickly adapt to any changes that are coming. And believe me, we're in the middle of some changes, right? So brass tacks, if you've thought about going online, now is the time to make the jump. If you have questions or concerns, reach out to us. We can help you figure out what that solution would look like and how it would fit your customers and your business, so that you're not wandering and guessing. You can make an informed decision. But it really is time to join the web. I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.